So on May 26th, 2021, Facebook had a problem where dark mode disappeared from both Android and iOS apps. Now the question you might be asking is, did they get rid of dark mode altogether? And the answer is no, they didn't. It's just a bug in the system. So according to Facebook, they have worked on a solution for the Android version, and that should take effect really soon. Some users are reporting that dark mode is back for them on Android, but for iOS users there is a fix. And I'll put the solution to the fix for the iOS version up on the screen right now, and this is thanks to TechRadar. Basically what you want to do is you want to swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone, and then you want to force quit the Facebook app by swiping up on the Facebook app, and then you want to go into the settings of your iPhone, then select the Facebook app and enable HD videos and HD photos. That should be able to rectify the problem. And before you do all this, make sure to uninstall and reinstall Facebook and then try this fix. I'll leave it up on the screen for just a little bit longer so you can go ahead and do that. So you basically force quit the app, go into the settings and then enable HD videos and HD photos, and then that should be able to rectify the problem according to the source TechRadar. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Facebook tips. Take care.